discuss about Google Ads Keyword Planner and how to use for keyword research Google Ads PPC campaign. You can see my Google Ads account dashboard and I find the tools option, then keyword planner. Okay, and this is the three option: discover new keywords, get search volume and forecast, organize keywords into ad group. That means save time by automatically organize keywords into ad group in your account. This is not mandatory, but these first two are very important. Discover new keywords. When you research some new keywords, you need to use this option, and this is the forecast. After keyword research, you can use the forecast option for find the how many CPC, how many daily budget are good for your campaign, and how many impression and sales lead you can get. These are keywords. And okay, let's start our keyword research option. Click this discover new keywords. As you can see the keyword planner, and this is the start with keywords, and this is the start with the website. When you paste your website URL, this website, but this is a website main homepage. You can use a specific landing page, service based landing page. When you use service based landing page, then you can get some keywords, but start with keyword. This is very good. You can find best keywords, and this is the English language. This is default. Okay, this is depend on your location, what type language you select from when you create your account. Okay, you can use English is best for Google Ads, and this is the location, and this is the very important. You select the wrong location, you can get the wrong keywords. Okay, our targeted country or targeted location is this Maryland, US. Okay, copy, now paste. This 2,000 2 lakhs 2,000. This is the how many reach you get, and this is the specific location. And now save. And what is our main keywords? Okay, our main keyword is Airbnb cleaning. Okay, and how when I paste it Airbnb cleaning here, use it or no problem. Is click the get result option. You can see the result, how many keywords. 100 keywords you can get, but 100 keywords don't need. Okay, and this is the keywords relevancy. You can select all keywords with one click. Okay, and this is the average monthly search volume. You see the average monthly search volume 10 to 100. You must be select 10 to 100. When you select just 10, it is not work for your Google Ads campaign. This is a low search volume, and that's mean keyword are not approved. That's mean not eligible your keywords. When you use this type average monthly search volume, you need to use 10 to 100 minimum. And this is the 3 month of change. This keyword, how many change the 3 months. When you select these are your mouse cursors, and then you see the 3 month of change. Show a 3 month change in a search trends by comparing the latest month data with the data from 2 months prior. For example, if the latest month is July, the July data would be compared to May to show change in search volume over 3 months. Okay, and 3 months of year change 0%, and this is the year of year change. This is the 1 year, latest month to previous year. Okay, this is a change minus. Okay, you need to find plus how many, and this is the local business, so you cannot find many search volume or 3 month of year change. And you need to select the many option the cleaning service, then you can select you can get the many keywords. Okay, this is the cleaning service. This is a 600 keywords. When you use single one keywords cleaning service, you get more keywords. Okay, and this is the competition. You need to select the high or medium competition. This depends on your budget, how many daily budget or monthly budget for Google Ads campaign. And this is the ad impression share, how share. And when you run campaign, then some option activate. And this is the new Google Ad account. I ran one campaign for 15 days, and this is the top of page bit low range. When you select your daily budget, you need to understand these two options for get high CPC or low CPC. What CPC are good for your campaign and what CPC you can control, and this is your budget friendly. Okay, now understand what is the CPC top of page bit low range. When some people use these keywords cleaning service near me, then your CPC minimum 4.444 to 10.24. This is the minimum CPC, and this, so this is the not same and average. Okay, and this is the account status. When you use this type keywords, then again search, then you can see the account status. Use your account this type word or show. Okay, Google search partner or Google, you run Google Ads, you need to select this option. And this is the average one, last 12 month, or you can use custom last month, last 24 months. That how many data you need, you can select this option. And keyword, and you can download your keyword, then copy. You can select all keyword, and this is the copy, and I can paste it. Okay. Keywords are direct, but I need not all keywords. I need to understand my business goals. This is the Airbnb cleaning. Only Airbnb, don't need the carpet cleaning. Carpet cleaning is a separate here too. So separate keywords and separate service. So how to you find your targeted keyword easily, save your time. Okay, let us start. You need to select the keyword ad filter, keyword ad filter, and select the keyword. You need to first understand what is your service. Your service is cleaning service and Airbnb cleaning. Okay, contains near me local. So this is the local business, so you need to select the local, then nearby. Only near me or this type keywords, and then again you need to remove your irrelevant keywords. Okay, your and then pointer. Okay, does not contain what type keyword. You not show your you need to understand what is your business goals or what is your service. This is the Airbnb cleaning, not carpet cleaning, window cleaning. Okay, then I'll select the carpet option. And this is the negative word for this campaign, this landing page or this ad group here. I make the ad group based keyword. Okay, so I need to understand my business, and then this is the carpet window. Then again this is the loading. So you can see the only cleaning service, not carpet cleaning option. Okay, when I remove this option, now find the carpet cleaning. Okay, now I remove the carpet, then you can find the carpet cleaning service. The carpet cleaning is a very totally different cleaning service, so you need to understand your business, then you can research perfectly keyword. Okay, tomorrow or next video we will detail discuss the keyword research, how to start keyword research. Now just understand Google Ads keyword planner and how to use it. Okay, now add filter option again. This is the exclude recent filters, and this is the competition. You need to target the only medium or high, not low keyword. Okay, now select, and this is the only high and medium, no low competitive keywords. Again that filter, I need to low search volume. What is your daily budget? Then you can use the top amount low range. Okay, this is a low range. Just select 3, then apply. 3. Okay, this is the amount 3 low range. This is the icon, it's the array icon, less than or greater than. Okay, you need to understand this icon. So as you knew how to understand this icon, when I select this icon, okay, you can find low. This is the 2.69. this is the low keywords. Okay, and as a business owner you need to select your daily budget and depend on average. It depend on your service and location, so you cannot use your as your wish. You cannot use this, so you need to understand your business, then you can use it. Okay, so then the exclude keyword in my account, you can select exclude keywords. Okay, this is our exclude keyword in my account. Residential cleaning service, already I exclude some option, and now a clear filter option. You can modify your this type, this option, and this is the keyword view, group view. We need to group view keywords. How to group view for easily? You need to just find the nearby or roof cleaning. I already searched some keywords, and this is the cleaning mage. What your this is the Airbnb cleaners. Okay, I just find the Airbnb cleaning, not all service. This is the for Airbnb cleaning. This is the only Airbnb cleaning service keyword. When you use group view, you can find your targeted keyword easily. Keyword view, you can view keyword view option. Okay, now the add filter again. Understand, and this is the short video. I will detail discuss about Google Ads keyword planner, and I have a Facebook group tomorrow, or regularly I share some Google Ads tips, how can you grow your local business. Okay, only local business tips I share my Google Ads group. You can join my group and subscribe my channel for the next video. If you have any question, you can comment me.